In a reciprocal gesture of courtesy, the Congress has said it would not contest 7 Lok Sabha seats in UP currently held or being contested by the key leaders of the Mayawati-Akhilesh Yadav combined. The alliance has left aside the 2 seats in the state, Amethi, remember, held by Congress chief Rahul Gandhi, and Rai Bareli, the constituency of his mother, Sonia Gandhi. Overall, these 9 seats are not expected to witness 3-cornered contests where the BJP and 2 opposition parties are pitted against each other. The seats the Congress will skip include Maipuri, from where Samajwadi Party patriarch Mulayam Singh Yadav is contesting, Kannauj, where his daughter-in-law Dimple Yadav is expected to run.
कहीं भी ऐसी कोई सीट जिसमें बीजेपी को फायदा होता हो, हमें 4 बार सोचना है। हम सिर्फ इसलिए चुनाव नहीं लड़ेंगे या हम ऐसे गठबंधन की सीट को मजबूत नहीं करेंगे जिसमें भी बीजेपी को फायदा हो। इन साथियों के साथ में संबंध हुआ, बातचीत हुई। इन सभी लोगों का मानना यह है कि हम बीजेपी को किसी भी तरह से मदद नहीं पहुंचाएंगे।
All right, Alok, with me for more on this. Alok, how is this going to pan out? For now, we've had that particular possibility, although not officially and perhaps not even in the backroom channels with Priyanka Gandhi there in Lucknow today. There's this hope that somehow there'll be an alliance. Is this an unsaid alliance then?
So you see, Amitoj, it absolutely beats me that if the Congress is willing to not fight on 7 seats and the Samajwadi Party and the BSP are willing to give it another 2 seats, which is Amethi and Rai Bareli, then why not just enter into an alliance? I mean, that perhaps has been the focal point of opposition unity, with a lot of top leaders speaking out and saying that all like-minded parties need to be together. But in UP, you have this unique situation where it's a 3-cornered fight on many seats, except these 9 seats now, where the Congress is leaving 7 for the Mahagathbandhan and the Mahagathbandhan is leaving 2 for the Congress. In all other seats, you are going to have more or less a 3-cornered fight with perhaps the Congress the weakest link, but with the potential to draw in votes, where even if they draw in 10, 12,000 votes, 25,000 votes, 30,000 votes, it's going to be a huge, it's going to be a significant margin.
Alok,
if this time around you're going to have a close election.
Right, Alok, so, I'm sorry, I'm stopping you there because I just want you to add to what you're saying with the perspective of what Anand Sharma said, a senior Congress leader. He said we can't kill ourselves in UP, we can't kill the Congress in UP, we can't euthanize ourselves. Perhaps that explains why they can't officially get into an alliance.
To which, the argument, Amitoj, would be you can't kill yourself, but then there are those in the BJP who would be watching this with much interest and pleasure, seeing that fine, they can't kill themselves, but they certainly are killing any chances of opposition unity. I mean, that's one viewpoint. The other viewpoint, of course, is what the Congress says, that we are not going to be in a situation where we play second or third fiddle, or we are not given the kind of respect that we deserve. They are a national party. The Samajwadi Party and the BSP, of course, feel that the Congress does not have winnability in UP. Either ways, it is surprising that in a do-or-die election, something like this is happening from the opposition, and it clearly puts the BJP at an advantage, except on these 9 seats, perhaps, where it will be a 2-cornered fight. But yes, this is what the Congress has said, and Priyanka Gandhi, as you pointed out, is in Lucknow today and will be taking a tour of Eastern UP starting tomorrow. And there is a boat ride, steamer ride planned for her on 3 days. There are a host of interactions that she will be doing on board of that boat. So the Congress indicating that they are serious about the election, and at the same time also making some conciliatory gestures. So that's how it is, Amitoj. I mean, You really can't add much to it, except perhaps that in the wisdom of these people who run the Congress and the opposite on the Mahagathbandhan, this is how they feel things should proceed.
All right. Thanks so much for that, Alok.